Hello everyone, this is Monica from Fandia CSC. Today I am very excited to share my experience with you. Firstly, I thank our management for providing these features to all of us during this lockdown period. They are conducting the online classes through Microsoft Teams app, and they are keeping all their efforts and sincerity towards studies. So the students must utilize them correctly. And in this app there is a special feature called assignment section where the faculty can assign work to the students, and once the work is scheduled, all the students must attempt it and post back to the corresponding faculty. Thus, they verify the assignment and provide some points and feedback to the particular assignment of a student. After finishing this verification process, they will return the assignment to the student. By this, the students can check their points and feedback that has been assigned by the faculty. And this assignment helps us to recollect the concept that we have completed on the particular day. So I thank management for providing us this a wonderful opportunity during this lockdown period, and I think all you are staying home and staying safe. So please don't come outside unnecessarily. Be safe, be strong.
Hello everyone, I hope all of you are good and safe in your homes. Myself Sheikh Naina Guri, studying BTech final year in the department of CSE. So as this is a lockdown period, it is very difficult to continue our revision classes and our new semester in our college. So our college management took an initiative step towards us by providing a platform called Microsoft Teams app where we can attend classes regularly by staying in our homes. In this, more than 100 people can join in a single session, and we can directly interact with the faculty for the doubt clarification. And as is a lockdown period, we just completed our 3-2 semester revision classes, and we also started new semester 4-1 classes. And in this app we have such options like assignments, activity, and we can also chat with our friends, and recording and calendar, and so on. I really love the calendar app because in calendar it shows the whole timings of all classes which are going to be happening the whole day. So I was really thankful to the whole management and Dr. KDK also for providing this wonderful platform which replaces our college environment and making us active through sessions during this lockdown period. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I hope all of you are safe at your homes. Myself, Lecturer Kiran, I am pursuing BTech final year in CSC department at St. Mary's Group of Institutions, Guntur. As this COVID-19 has affected the entire world, it is very impossible to conduct the regular classes in the college due to lockdown. So, our college management has came forward to conduct the classes through online by using Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams app is very useful for conducting regular classes as well as backlog sessions. By using Microsoft Teams, there are many features, but the feature that I like most is Calendar. By using Calendar, we can easily join in any meeting by clicking on the join option, and also we can know the schedules, the which class and which session and which faculty is going to specify in the session by using the schedule day by day. And also we can easily post our attendance by using attendance poll, and we can also give our feedback. My sincere thanks to our college chairman sir, management and our HOD for providing online classes. So stay safe, stay home, stay happy. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe at home and following the rules which was declared by the World Health Organization. My name is Madhavi. I am studying 3rd BTech from St. Mary's Group of Institutions in the stream of Computer Science. Due to lockdown, all was stopped at sudden. We can't able to go to our colleges. Because of this, we missed our class lectures. And I think all you have missed your class lectures. But fortunately, my college management team referred a platform that is Microsoft Teams. By using this, my faculty shared their lectures to us. This was a cool app. All the features in this app were really good, but mainly the attendance poll was the best in it because in generally in our classrooms, taking attendance was a big deal. Microsoft Teams make that was a small thing because it was just simply clicking on the submit button, then we can post our attendance. By using this, my faculty easily get the details of the students who attended this session. It was a time-saving feature. I would like to thank my college management and my department faculty who spent their lot of time even in the lockdown period also. Thank you so much. And finally, don't go outside for unnecessary things. If you have to go, then wear a mask. Be safe and make others safe.
Hi everyone. I hope everyone is safe out there. This is Manis Valli pursuing final year BTech in St. Mary's Group of Institutions, Guntur. As we all know, we can't go to the college, sit in the classroom and listen to the lectures. So our college management has offered an online platform so that we can reboot our education system through Microsoft Teams app. This app is very easy to use and also access also. I'm really happy to listen the classes in this app. There are many good features in this app and I would like to mention a feature called recording the session. Whenever you miss the session, you can watch it again by using the recording feature. I really want to thank our college management, chairman sir, faculty who are providing us these online classes in this corona crisis situation also. And I would like to tell that everyone should take precautions in this COVID-19 situation. Always maintain social distancing. Stay home, save lives.